Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel with your boy Dropping Hot Mix. Oh, look at that tip over. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, this is Ready Mix. When I'm telling y'all Ready Mix is dangerous as hell, it is a dangerous job, dude. Just because you're doing Class B work, it don't mean things get a little bit simpler. It really don't. It don't. As you can see right now, Ready Mix, these Ready Mix trucks, these mixers, man, they are prone. They're top heavy, so they can tip over with going over. I think anything over 15 miles per hour, you're gonna flip that SOB. All right. Now look over here. Now you got homeboy spilling dang on concrete out on the road. Man, let me tell you something. When I drove, I did it for 2 years. When I drove, bro, I made sure that when I tell you I looked in my mirrors every 5 seconds, dog, I looked in it every 5 seconds. I didn't want to be that boo buffoon right here spilling down 4,000 PSI mix on a 1604 or on a 35 or something like that. You know what I mean? But Ready Mix is dangerous as hell. These damn drums, dude, they're on top, so it makes it top heavy. And then we carry around about 10, not 10 gallons, but freaking they call it 10 yards. That's how you measure the quantity of concrete. It is about a yard. And man, I'm telling you, dude, it is heavy. And look at it right here. Dude lost control off his brakes. Boom! Ain't no joke. And I believe this right here happened in El Paso. If I'm right, I think it happened in El Paso on Trans Mountain. I'm telling you guys, it ain't nothing to play with.
An unusual sight on the freeway around 10:30 this morning.
Okay.
Traffic was slow
Ooh.
on this section of I-215 as lanes were closed and gradually opened as crews were getting a cement truck out of the freeway. Now this cement truck hit the center divider. They're using cranes to get the pieces out to move the truck to a different location.
See, I'm trying to tell y'all.
Concrete truck was traveling
Now,
northbound
see,
on I-215
in Texas, they do have the front low ones. Normally, the ones in Texas is we offload from the back, but they do have the offload ones on the front too.
UDOT says about 120 feet of the concrete barrier need to be fixed, but that might not happen in the next
But you know what though? Texas, stay with concrete barriers. We got that shit on deck. And the thing about the barriers, when we pour them, it's extremely dry. Like it's a 1-inch lump. It's just a little bit of water, rock, dust, concrete, cement powder, concrete powder. I mean, it's a nasty mix, dude. So for this bad boy to mess it up the way he did, that's crazy, dude.
Fox 13 News, Utah.
Mike, we just learned that it'll be about another 15 minutes.
Oh, got a new report.
Can open up back here. Now, about an hour ago, 2 heavy-duty tow trucks flipped the concrete truck upright and towed it off. Officers at the scene say,
bro, if you were to Google Ready Mix accidents, guys, there's so many on the web. It is insane, guys. It is insane. And like I stated before, one of the biggest issues is dudes go into it and don't respect it. They don't respect the damn truck. I have buddies that did Ready Mix, bro. I still do. And they got into the rollovers, you know? And our photo that I have on my thumbnail, that's a real damn photo.
On a 75-gallon diesel spill that's surrounding the cement truck.
Yeah, see?
And that's currently contained and being cleaned up.
Man, the concrete dried up on the road. That sucks. And then also got to deal with the diesel and the oil from the truck. Come on, bro. That just sucks. But to go on with the thumbnail, That young man, guess what, guys? That young
A
man.
memorial with the initials MD, PH, and the word
family died.
Friends of Michael Dearden and Phil Hertel leave messages where the men died near 120th and Giles.
I think after the second or third trip around the car trying to find access into the vehicle was when it really hit me that we're pretty helpless.
Papillion's fire chief was blocks away when the call came out.
I was very
I'm telling you guys,
that
it happens
wasn't any
all
crying
the
or
freaking
screaming
time.
coming from the car,
And it's harder to
because
stop
I knew there
with the
wasn't
mixer than it was a
gonna be
dump
any
truck,
quick access
which
to
is
them.
absolutely
To
crazy.
try to gain access, they called in Aero Towing.
But anyway, like I was saying, guys, that
while the
that
other
guy,
truck
he had a
stabilized,
kid.
the concrete truck as
He had
it
a
was
woman.
being lifted
He had a
Carefully
family.
using cranes,
And
crews
he
removed
died.
77,000
He died
pounds off
over
the
a
car.
rollover.
Really up
He
to the
turned
point
into a
that the
tight,
truck was
narrow
lifted off the
road
vehicle.
going too
Everybody
fast.
had just that tiny
That's not
sliver
meant
of
for
hope that he would
trucks.
still be alive.
And he
And now
died.
police hope to find
The
answers.
real sad part
fast the
about it,
vehicle was moving,
he
that
died a
deterred
week
interviews
before
from
Christmas.
witnesses. Was the vehicle in control? Was this a malfunction? Was it an equipment issue? Was it driver error?
But they know
Now, I don't want to
answers won't
scare
take
people
away the
off
pain of
when it
losing
comes
these
to
two
Ready
young
Mix.
men.
I really don't, guys. I don't want to scare y'all
Well,
off.
and investigators believe
but
the young men
people don't
died
understand and
instantly.
know the
And
hazards
investigators will also go through the
of
truck's
this chosen
black
profession
box
right
to
here.
find
You can make
answers
damn good
and turn
money,
over all of the
okay?
reports and all of the evidence
Make
to
damn
the
good
county
money. Don't get me
attorney,
wrong.
who will then decide if the
but
driver,
woo,
20-year-old
when I
Austin
tell
Holloway,
you,
will
dude,
face charges.
when I
That could
freaking
take
tell
weeks.
you the
Back to you,
dangers
Rob.
is high, bro, I had some. Have I got into an accident when I did Ready Mix? Yeah, damn. Yeah, best believe that's what I did. Okay, they're gonna go for some pay.
This Ready Mix truck driver?
Ready Mix truck.
Okay, what kind of license
Remember,
do you
you
need?
can't make good money guys for Ready
Class
Mix.
B. Do you need any experience to get into it?
Not with our company, they always train and hire.
Do they help you get your license, or do you need it before?
License and everything.
Oh, nice. How many hours do you get per week? About
Probably average 70 plus,
70 plus.
6 days a week,
A lot of overtime, huh?
and no sense schedule.
Yeah, he
That's
working
good.
illegal.
So you're on call kind of?
No, we get our call time start about 6:30 to 7:30 a week for the next week.
And about how much do they pay?
I think starting pay for company is $24.50.
$24.50. What would be
Yeah,
like the
so
top
guys,
rate?
with Ready Mix, you never have a set schedule. You literally have a call voicemail
Okay. Do you have any credit?
after a certain time, and that voicemail gives you your come in time. We have to come in next morning. It can be midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. You don't know until you find out. But look at this: turn too fast, scraped and tipped over. Oh my goodness! I'm telling you guys, it ain't nothing. Oh, look at all that mix right there. All that mix. Now this video didn't come with no audio. Man, that's probably from the diesel. Now, what makes this dude right here a real one? When they asked him who was the driver of that vehicle that tipped over, he said he didn't know. Bruh, that's a homie and a half right there. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.
Straight to the face, and I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll